Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD part design tutorials for exercise number 70. Click parametric part and create sketch. So I will choose this XZ plan or front plan. Next, draw the polylines. I will click from this point, move to the top. Okay, to drag here. We create a basic shape with the polylines. And now set for the dimensions. In the bottom line, I will set 25. And in here, set into 4. Okay, for distance from this points to the bottom here, you can set 65. And the next at these lines, I will set 26. And for length, the line objects, you can set into 5. And in the bottom here, I will set into 10. The next you can close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Set for length 25. Click OK. Now in here I will create for the hole in this face. So you can select at this face, create sketch, and draw circle object at this point with diameter 10 and move into center point. You can use the reference line. Choose the constraint symmetric and click in these 2 points, and the last the center point of the circle. So we move into center, click close. After it, use the pocket tools to create holes. You can set into through all and click OK. Now select at this edge and I will create for the fillet. Also in this edge you can use select tools, preview, and set for the radius into 10 point. Click OK. The next, select up this face, create sketch, and I will use the reference line in this edge, also in the top, and create sketch with these polyline tools. From these points, move into edge, points, and then click on the first point. Now you can select this constraint and press delete button. The next, set for the angles in this line objects with dimension tools. Click on these 2 lines and set into 15. Click OK and close. Now use the pocket tools to cut with the length 4. Click OK. The next I will mirror this object. So you can click the mirror tools, and for the plan, change to select a reference and click at this face. If you done, click OK. You also can use the extrude tools by selecting at this face and then use the pad to extrude the selected and change for length into 15. Click OK. Now in this edge, you can use the chamfer tools. You can set chamfer into 5. Select in this face, create sketch, And I will draw the 4 circle, set for the diameter into 5, and I will make equal by using this constraint equal. You can select this circle to make equal, and the next set for the distance, so you need to create for the reference line in the top and the bottom, and create for the dimension in here into 5, also in vertically into 5 for the distance. You can use the constraint horizontals or verticals by clicking at these 2 points, and then create again dimension in here, set into 5 for the distance. And in the bottom, I will set with constraints for the vertical. And then distance set into 5. The last, use this again, the constraints with these points and in the top point. Create circle in the center here, and I will set for the diameter into 15. Now you can move to center point by using the constraint symmetric. Click at these 2 points, and then click the center of the circle. Click close, and use pocket tools to create holes. Change for type through all. Click OK. After it, you can select pocket and then use the fillet tools. Fillet in radius 1. Click OK. And I will change view to perspective view. And that's it for a basic FreeCAD part design tutorials for exercise number 70.